Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 account to your Marvel Rivals account in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1 is to visit the Marvel Rivals website and open any web browser on your PC or your phone. And then go to the official Marvel Rivals website and then click Login at the top right. Step 2 is to link your PlayStation 5 account. Look for the PS5 option and then click on it. A new page will open where you need to sign in with your PlayStation account credentials. Step 3 is to confirm and complete the process. After signing in, confirm the connection to link your PlayStation 5 account to Marvel Rivals, and then you're all set. Now you can access Marvel Rivals with your PS5 account. That's how you can easily connect your PlayStation 5 account to Marvel Rivals. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one.